If you eat this, your stomach and your intestines and other organs will surely thank you. The main ingredients you'll need will be listed on the screen. First, boil some peas. Hollow out your large tomato. Cut your lettuce, olives, and onions. In a separate bowl, add all your ingredients, except for your tomatoes, of course, into a bowl. Add a little bit of salt and around a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix until it's well combined. Feel free to use your hands also if you need to. Now you're gonna put your filling into the tomato. Make sure it's nice and stuffed. Add a tablespoon of lime juice. And enjoy!